that you're measuring for?
Just setting up basically parameters in this so it knows exactly where everything's at.
Why do you have to do that?
Because if it thinks that the out of balance is over here or over here, it needs to know that so it can tell you where you need to be.
See, I'm dumb. I never had anybody tell me this, but I'd like to just know what, little something. It's always good to
Absolutely.
know some other news. We'll be back when it's spinning, guys. He's back.
Yep.
Oh, here. Okay, now tell me.
There's the motor right down here.
Yeah.
That, you know, drives the crank, but it also holds it into place too.
With this belt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep it from flying out.
So what we're going to do here now is grind instead of drill, right?
Right.
On the crankshaft?
Yep.
Okay, cool. You're going to get my business. Okay, Trent, now we're going to bounce with the flywheel, right?
Yep.
Do a beer can.
Looks pretty good to me, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, a little better.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're bouncing the flywheel now. Taking what, 6 grams out?
What's that?
Taking 6 grams out, right?
Pretty much each hole that I'm going to be putting in here will be about 6 grams.
Okay.
Just a little over 6 grams.
We're going to call it quits there. Anyhow.